Hello, this is Greg. Today I am going to attempt my first tire change with the Rabacanda Street Bike Tire Changer. I will probably break this into two parts, mounting and dismounting. I need to do some things to the wheels in between. I'm just going to do the rear tire for my GSX. Things going through tires like crazy, so I'm hoping this works out great. I already did the pre-checks. My wheel is clean, nothing that would damage the tool or the wheel there. I checked the duck head according to the instructions. There's no sharp edges or anything here. So I'm just gonna start trying to dismount this tire. First time I've used this, I don't really know the technique. So I don't expect this to go very well, but we'll see. So I already dismounted the tire and let the air out. So we'll try to get it on here. Try to get these magnet things, make sure they're in the right place as best I can. That looks pretty good. Let's see. Okay, let's see, there's this little stepped center tool. I'm going to drop that in here. Center up the wheel. So that seems okay. Try that. I've got my instructions here in case I need to refer to them. I have watched the tutorial video quite a few times, so hopefully that'll sink in. As far as breaking the bead, we'll get the bead breaker tool in here, and that's probably good enough there. Yeah. All right. So the this starter kit comes with Rabacanda's tire lube and some drop center tools. Those haven't shown up for me yet. The tire changer just arrived the other day. Those things are going to be here in a week or so. So instead of Rabacanda's grease, I'm using Rue Glide, which this is a rubber lubricant. I bought this from Napa, I don't know, a decade ago. I've changed dozens and dozens of tires using this stuff. This is just about a lifetime supply of this stuff. So I'm sure this will suffice. And then later when we get around to installing the tire, instead of their drop center tools, I have one of these big yellow things, whatever it's called. So well, let's go ahead and try to get this thing, get the bead broken on this, and then get the tire dismounted. So I always put some of this on when I'm doing it with my other setup. So we'll try this. These will be a little taller. Still a little taller. That's not bad. I've had far worse bead breaking experiences. All right. And it's nice that that just lays over the Harbor Freight bead breaker. It's always clonking me in the head. I'm going to move these instructions so they don't get messed up. I have to refer to them again later. Slide this back on. Check those look good. Just checking the magnets in the back. Make sure they're still protecting the rim. Get that in the center there. Get this with a little Rue Glide. Hopefully you can see all of this. Might drop this just a tiny bit. Oh no, there it goes. Not bad at all. All right, dismount time. I'm just going to go ahead and hose this down one more time. You never have too much lubricant. All right, so let's see. The next thing I think I need is to install this duck head. It's got an adjuster knob here. You can make it tall. I think it slips right into the rim there. So slide it over so you can use the bead breaker tool to help you get it on the rim. So that was nice. Get that locked into place. Hopefully I'm not 100% blocking everybody while I'm doing this. All right, I do not have a tire pressure monitoring system in this, but I'm going to go ahead and follow their recommendation to put that at 9 o'clock. And then, let's see, then you spin this around until it's at 6 o'clock. Get that out of the way. And then here we need the tire iron. There's a nice little hook built in behind this. I guess you hook the tire bead. There we go. Bring it. Oh, this little tire iron scabbard. There we go. I think I could have used the bead breaker to help me get that in the drop center, but that's okay. It's there. I think that's right. Then we use their this pin drops into one of these holes to help keep the tire from rotating around. Let me find the best place to put it. That's probably good enough. All right. And that comes up to 9 o'clock, and theoretically this just spins around. So I move the tool from bead breaker into lever. All right. Okay, well, I guess we don't need that anymore. Wow. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. All right, bring the whole thing back around to 6 o'clock. Get that out of here. All right, got that down in the drop center. Now I need to, I'm going to lose this. I don't really need this sheath to protect anything right now, so I'm going to lose it. I don't think it's helping me any. Now I'm going to hook the bottom bead. All right, right there. No. I really need to get it under here. All right, well, well, that wasn't too bad. Hopefully you could see some of that. Hose this stuff down again. All right, let's see how this second bead goes. I was supposed to take that out before, but that's it. All right, tire is dismounted, and that wasn't too bad at all. I mean, compared to the way I would do it before, you know, I'd have to get out my Harbor Freight bead breaker tool, set up my tire changing stand, break the beads on one, mount this thing up on the other, then break the beads. This is much more efficient, seems a lot quicker, was really no problem at all. Hopefully with some experience I'll get more proficient at it. So I'm gonna stop this video, I'm gonna clean up this wheel, do a couple of things, and then I'll come back to mount it. Thank you.